In this video, I'll show you how to manually create client bookings with BookMe. While BookMe is a great way for clients to easily book your photography services directly through your Zenfolio provided website, we do understand that sometimes you might make arrangements outside of BookMe and Zenfolio and need to manually add a booking instead. In cases like this, you'll need a way to ensure that specific dates and times are booked exclusively for your clients, preventing any overlaps with any other clients. Additionally, you may want to send separate invoices to these clients in a convenient manner. That's where the manual booking feature comes to the rescue. With BookMe's manual booking option, you have complete control. You can easily add client bookings into the system, blocking off those reserved times and ensuring that nobody else books you during that same time period. This way, you can seamlessly manage your schedule and never miss a beat. So whether it's bookings made through BookMe or outside of it, rest assured that you'll have everything organized, dates secured, invoices sent efficiently, and everything else you may need. To get started with manually adding a booking to BookMe in your Zenfolio account from your dashboard, click on the booking icon on the left-hand side toolbar. Next, select the My Bookings tab. Here, you'll want to click on the Add Booking button. However, please note that at least one service must be enabled fully to manually add a booking, so make sure that you get that done first. After clicking Add Booking, a new pop-up window will appear that will allow you to enter the client's information, such as their name, email, phone number, and there's also an option box to add any notes that you'd like to add to the booking as well. Fill out this information, and when ready, click the Next button. Next, you'll want to indicate the service that you'd like to attach to this booking. Generally, this is a service that your customer picks ahead of time. After selecting the service, you'll want to specify the booking time and the booking date accordingly. When ready, click Next. Last, you'll choose how you'd like to collect payment from the client. You will also need to enter a physical billing address for the client. When finished, click Save. After clicking Save, you'll see that your new booking has populated with all the information that you added available to you to review. Keep in mind that BookMe services are available for bookings on a rolling 24-hour cutoff for clients. If a client tries to book something in shorter than 24 hours before the booking time, that time period will not be available on your calendar. For these last-minute bookings, it's recommended that the clients reach out to you directly to ensure that you're aware of their booking needs and to make sure that you will be available on such short notice. If you book a time with a client within a 24-hour period, you can also add their booking manually as well. For further assistance, please contact our helpful support team at support@zenfolio.com or visit our support center for more information.